Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you're doing great. In this tutorial, we'll guide you through the process of locking your own HTTP custom configuration files for secure use and easy sharing. Let's follow these simple steps together. Step 1. Start by opening your preferred web browser such as Google Chrome. Search for udp.online. Visit 2 or more trusted websites that provide UDP custom services. Choose a reputable one from the search results. Locate the 30-day UDP server option from the homepage. Select it to proceed to the server list. From the available options, choose a server labeled as 30-day UDP Custom Server. Now, create your free account, enter your username and password. Follow the instructions on the site to complete the process. Once your account is created, you will receive important details such as IP address or host, username password copy, and save these details, as you'll need them in the next steps. Step 2. Go to Play Store, search HTTP Custom, then download HTTP Custom and install. Once installed, open the app. Enter your server information in the app, IP address or host port username password. Use the details you copied from the previous step. Look for the Enable UDP Custom option inside the app. Tap the checkbox or toggle switch to activate it. Once everything is set, tap the Connect button to establish a connection. Now you have created a secure connection. Step 3. Tap the configuration menu. Usually the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Select Save to Config to begin saving your settings. Give your file a unique name so you can easily identify it later. Adjust additional settings if desired, based on your preferences. After finalizing your settings, tap Save. Your file is now locked and securely saved on your device. Step 4. To use the locked file, tap the plus icon again. Select Open Config to locate your saved file. Go to the folder where you saved the file, Internal Storage, HTTP Custom Configs. Tap the config file to open it. Once imported, the settings will load automatically. Tap Connect again to start using your saved configuration. Step 5. Open your File Manager app. If you don't have one, you can download it from the Google Play Store. Navigate to the folder, Internal Storage, HTTP Custom Configs. Find the config file you saved. Tap the three-dot menu next to the file. Select the Share option. A menu of apps will appear, such as WhatsApp, Telegram, email, Google Drive. Choose the app you prefer and select the contact or group to send the file to. Final notes. This tutorial is created for educational purposes only. Please do not use these tools or methods for unauthorized or illegal activities. The purpose of locking and sharing config files is to help users keep their VPN settings secure and easily transferable. If you found this video helpful, like this video, subscribe to our channel for more tutorials, leave a comment below if you have any questions. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.